All right. So, hi Amita.
Hi Varun, how are you doing?
Hello, doing great. Thank you so much. And I have seen your so many messages back to back. You're doing awesome. So,
Yes.
like, so many guys are watching us today, like, just to know about your story and why you join us. What is the before story? What's going on? What you are doing? Like, क्या business है आपका? क्या सेवा करते हो market के अंदर? क्या product है? क्या service है? Right, and what challenges you are facing before, like, why you join our community. So there are so many answers which everybody wants to know about that, so now it's your time.
Okay. So, Varun, जैसे आप जानते हैं like कि I had been working before like before coming for autopilot.
Yeah.
मेरा कैसा था? I was working on Energic. Along with Energic, I am working right now, Energic India.
Okay.
And obviously, I was
Is
working
that
like
that is a Kangan business, right?
yeah, it's a Kangen water
Okay.
business.
Okay.
As a global distributor, I am working.
All right.
So that is what my basic business is.
Okay. Okay.
ओके बट जो एक नॉर्मल बिजनेस ऑफलाइन चलता है
Hmm.
until and unless you are having proper leads with you, you are having proper I'm not saying just proper leads, it should
Hmm.
be quality leads
Right.
क्योंकि that plays a bigger role in any business.
Hmm.
Until and unless you are not getting the proper place where you have to explain the things,
Hmm.
people should understand you.
Right.
तो उस तरीके का एनवायरनमेंट ऑफलाइन में थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Right.
एक टाइम तक तो चलता है लेकिन आगे जाके वो वर्क थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक हो जाता है बिकॉज इट्स हार्ड टू गेट पीपल. आप
Right.
उनके पीछे भाग रहे हैं
Right.
और यू हैव टू मेक दोज पीपल टू लिसन टू यू, which
Exactly.
is something a pain point for not only for me. I believe many of my colleagues would also be facing that.
Right. Right.
So ये तो एक बिजनेस का पार्ट हुआ लेकिन व्हेन आई हैड एक्चुअली सीन I had seen one day, like I was just scrolling through, I was looking like how to make my business digitized.
Okay.
क्योंकि घर से रह के being a woman, I was just trying to see how to manage my family also, manage my
Yes.
business also very
Yes.
nicely.
Yes. Yes.
And that is something like I was just trying to see how my another colleagues are performing in the another countries.
Okay.
So that was the time like I have seen one of the Australian team and they are doing very nicely in digital way. And I got a chance to talk to them. They were like, yeah, why not? They were having 1 year, 2 year kid and they were doing very nice business.
Hmm.
So that gave me a click and I was like, let me also go digitized.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And I started searching for digital platform for me. Or
Okay.
to be very true, on a truth phase, like you are not my first coach. Like as the coach, you are. I have taken you seriously. But before coming to your platform, I had actually seen. Okay, let me try one place. Let me try another place.
Mhm.
I have actually gone to three places,
Hmm.
which was not fruitful for me. I didn't got proper resolutions.
Hmm.
Because आपका ad जब पहली बार देखा, I was like, okay, he is also one another kind of coach. Let me leave
Right,
it.
right, right,
I had actually skipped your training. That
right,
short video sales letter was there.
right, 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 right.
Other day, I got a call actually from your team, like you have seen the video. How is the what is your input?
Hmm.
Like, do you want to go for it? It was a kind of discovery call with me, and I was like, yeah, let me take a second chance.
Hmm.
They are contacting, and because it's a one-to-one touch what a person feels actually. It is
Right.
required attention when once given, that
Hmm.
is required for many people.
So you have watched our short training, right? Short training.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And second time, I had again seen your ad after the team had shared it with me. And
Okay.
that time I have actually seen the short training
Right.
and I came for your webinar once and
Right.
I just stayed there for 5 minutes and I had gone away again.
Right.
After 1 week again, when your ad came, since I was in the nurturing,
Hmm.
like you have a pretty good system in that way.
Hmm.
Like you keep on nurturing the leads. So
Hmm.
when I was there, I was just seeing like, okay, how the things are like. Let me give a second try. There was another webinar which came again.
Mm,
And you won't believe it was the day like when I was actually disheartened from my business.
mm,
Um, like nothing is going fruitful and I'm not even doing good in the digital way.
right.
Then I was actually looking for a solution, and it was by chance like you were having a Q&A session on that day, and by mistake like it was a by chance, what I can say. You have I have also raised the hand and I
Yeah.
was selected for that.
Yes. Yes.
So you feel, it was like I really wanted to be heard, because my problem is not the general problem many people are facing, understand. But when a person requires special attention, like this is my problem, how I'm going to resolve it.
Mm,
That thing had happened in your webinar actually on that day.
right. Right. Right.
So that's the reason I have decided, and hardly I had attended two or three of your webinars after that. One hackathon I had attended,
Mm,
and after that I had decided to go ahead and join your community. And today I am a accelerator member of your of your community. So it's like becoming and taking that decision was the best decision what I can say, because I can see a zoom at least which is going up for me. The graph had started taking up scale. So
amazing.
thanks a lot for that. You as well as your team is great and supportive on this area.
Thank you so much, Amita. And your contribution in this community is damn awesome, right? Right now, you
Yeah,
are a facilitator in our community. And like, see, I always believe that the game of reciprocate is the main concept in sales also. जब आप किसी के लिए कुछ करते हो ना तो ऑटोमेटिकली सामने वाला आपके लिए बहुत कुछ करता है. And you are also returning to this community in very good manner. If somebody is watching, might be you will be a next facilitator of that particular person also. All right, so what is the biggest change you have seen in your business, and how the leads are coming, how your clients are responding right now, and what is the before challenge when you're joining our community? Is that like you're going, I believe that you're going from no digital to digital right now because you haven't any digital presence, right? So, so
exactly.
what is your like point on this particular things?
First point I would like to say from the lead perspective,
Uh-huh.
like as I was mentioning before, also we require a quality lead. And
Exactly.
here, after coming to the digital system, it's not like you have to bang your head here. Like, okay, you come, listen to us. You have to demand for the time with the people. No, people are coming to me even when I'm sleeping in the night, and we are getting the leads, and
Right.
these people are ready to hear you.
Exactly.
So that is what is required, because see, anything what we are talking now is a technology. This is something new in India. In
Right.
spite of being 10 to 11 years, but
Right.
still some new technology is there. People are unaware. Many of the people are unaware. So they have to listen to us. We have to make them explain what we are doing exactly.
Right. Right.
So at least that time we require to convince those people to make them aware exactly. And here I am really getting like going completely from a no digital this background to a digital way of marketing, the digital way of my business. It's like super awesome, I am enjoying the journey now. I'm
Oh,
really getting pretty good leads, very nice leads. And it's not something like going digital. See, there are certain pros and cons, what will be there in the mind, but it's taken care by the team and from the Varun Chawla, from your community is like super awesome.
so like I have seen your calendar is already jam packed right now.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes actually it goes like there are certain requirements in spite of the open slots, people demand for some certain slots. For
Hmm.
them, we have to open one new slot
Hmm.
for a day.
Right. Right.
So
So,
the scenario is pretty like it. I am enjoying that scenario. Like one just would like to share one of the example. I have one. the kind of issues like chronic issues is people are even reporting. So the digestion, acidity, bloating, these things are something what majorly people start facing.
Right, right, right.
But there are certain chronic issues also people are facing, and I have one such client right now.
Okay.
His wife is a cancer patient,
Oh.
and for him, he had interacted me initially, and he was like, "Let me try to understand first." And he like it's a normal way. Any human being will be doing like
Yeah, yeah,
that only.
normal behavior.
Normal psychology actually to
Right,
understand something new.
right.
And he was like, "Yeah." And from the next session, you won't believe it was like in my just sales sales call, it was there.
Right.
And this person was like, "I would really like to introduce my wife to you. Can we arrange another call with you?" I'm
Oh,
like,
wow.
and he had actually asked for one more call.
Okay.
And I was like, not an issue. Let us take one more call.
Mm,
But this is the way how I work. And
mm.
it is something like, it was not something just purely on, for me, actually, yeah, I'm working on a humanity cause also somewhere to get some people to get their problems relieved. And you won't believe, this person about whom I'm talking about, this client, he is in touch with me, and he's a part of my hub right now. And we are working so closely on his wife.
Mm.
It's hardly 5 days.
Oh,
This lady, because she is already a cancer patient,
yes,
their
yes,
immune system is actually compromised. So
yes.
they will catch cough, cold, anything, and it will not get resolved so early.
Mm, mm.
So she was actually facing this cough from past 2 months, from since October. Yeah. And you won't believe, her cough was not reducing. It was something what I was also concerned. I asked whether any another problem she don't have. Then he told, no, no, no reports, no problem for that for her. Like we have done all the kind of tests.
Okay.
I was like, fine, then I will help her in this. You
Mm.
won't believe, within 3 days, 3 days her cough had reduced, and she is like, with the remedies what I am suggesting her, along with my hydration therapy, and she is saying like, I am feeling a kind of energetic way in her daily life schedule. It's just 3 days when she had spoken to me. I have another call with her on Sunday. Now, day before also I had a call, and she was like, yeah, I'm feeling pretty good now. Some changes, but still I can say many people had approached to him before also. And he was like, they both, husband and wife, they were saying, no one had given us this kind of in-depth knowledge. The technology what you have made us aware is something different only. And this is not what I am speaking. It's not like mumia mittu banna, but I really felt very good that at least my knowledge is helping some people there.
Amazing. That's why you are here, man. Universe has already a big plan, right? And this is what your core intention is. And I always say that the code of honors and the core intention is very important.
Yeah.
Right. So how you are able to like how like you're getting at least like 5 to 6 to 7 high quality appointments on daily basis, right?
Yeah, I am getting at least 5 quality leads.
Quality
And
appointments.
the appointments are getting fixed for within 2 to 3 days for them. Like
All
in
right.
a day, I have 4 clients whom I am getting like proper clients what I am
Amazing.
supporting right now.
So how you're able, like you're into the high ticket products, so how you're able to like close at least like 2 to 3 high tickets, like your product is extreme damn good and so like just tell about the sales closing, what tactics you are using right now.
It's a simple way what I am approaching with them,
Uh-huh.
because it's a normal thing what I am seeing now. People are facing a number of health issues.
Right,
And in spite of medication, they are not able to get relief.
right.
How many medication a person will pop? Because few clients are coming, they are popping like almost 17 to 18 medicines.
Mm-hmm.
I can understand the pain of a person, like how badly it affects. Like one thing you are curing, but
Mm.
another thing might be getting impacted
Yes,
because of
yes,
that.
yes, yes.
तो उस चीज को हम कैसे क्योर कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम वेरी सिंपल वे, जो हमारी एंशियंट डाइट है, मैं उसको फॉलो करती हूँ. लाइक आई एम अ ट्रेन्ड पर्सन ऑन रामचरितमानस डाइट.
Oh wow.
एंड या, एंड आई फॉलो द वे लाइक हाउ आवर एंशियंट पीपल यूज टू फॉलो. सो
Hmm.
उस डाइट के जरिए, क्योंकि when we are moving towards westernization, many of the people have lost, like, most of the things what is mother nature had already provided to us.
Yes, 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 yes.
So उस जरिए से मैं उनको समझाती हूँ. एंड बट ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग दैट योर बॉडी इज 75% वाटर एंड ट्वेल्व
Yes.
परसेंट इज फूड. सो इफ यू कैन होल्ड ऑन दीज टू थिंग्स, hold tightly on these two, obviously any geriatric disease or a chronic issue can be resolved. And I have seen many of these things already done for many of my clients.
Right, right, right. Like, like how, like this autopilot booster platform is helping you. Like, is that really worth it for you? Or,
This is a wonderful thing which had happened for me, I should say.
right.
Because managing with the people and managing the leads when they are coming, not only managing the leads.
Mhm.
Once the appointment is booked, a process have to be followed. It's not possible when you are doing it, because I had started initially as a single-handed person.
Yes.
So it's not easy for a person to manage the bookings, also to keep on following up. One or two follow-ups is like okay,
Mhm.
but when you have to do a follow-up, you have to give the certain reminders accordingly based on the time. So those timely reminders when it is supposed to go after the lead had, like, they have like already the booking is completed, like booking is done, and when we have already had a meeting one to one,
Right,
after that also, how a person is getting a thank you note, what is the next step they have to do, all those things. Then what whether they're asking for a reschedule, or
right,
they're asking us, like, I want to go ahead and do a booking, so for
right,
that payment link,
right,
single-handedly, it's not easy for one or two. Like, when I am getting 4 to 5 people in a day like that, it's difficult
right.
managing, remembering the time, doing it manually, sitting with your phone, not possible.
Not
At
possible.
least these things are taken care completely by the autopilot booster. Like,
Um,
as soon as the lead comes, even as I am mentioning, lead comes in the midnight also when I
yes,
am asleep.
right,
So that time the message goes to them. It's
right,
already taken care by the system. I'm
right,
not doing anything. I'm sleeping.
right,
But
right,
the system is taking care about the message. Okay, go and do the booking. See the training here.
right, right, right.
After the booking is done, they are getting the proper intimations. So what else is required?
So, like, I have seen that, like, after you're applying this particular platform, your show up also gets increased to the 40 to
Yes.
45%, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Because it shows the genuinity and the authority what you are holding. It's like,
Amazing.
it gives an impact to the clients also. Like, I am going to a genuine place, not just because in market there are so many. You also know how the trend is going on. Like, people gets आराम से उनको ना कहीं कोई ना कोई कुछ चुरा लिया होगा, या समवेयर दे हैड बीन इनटू अ फ्रॉड और समवेयर.
Yes,
बट
yes.
यहाँ से क्या है, आपको एक जेन्युइन प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है.
Hmm.
उनको आपके ऊपर भी भरोसा हो रहा है कि ओके, द पर्सन हु इज डूइंग एंड और whom I am going to meet is a genuine person whom I am
Ex-
going to meet.
Exactly. Exactly. That is what the Amita Patil authority is, right? Yes, amazing. मजा आ रहा
Yeah,
है?
I am really enjoying.
Amazing.
Actually, this is the business what I am looking for. And I feel not only me, whomsoever I am interacting with, I am really suggesting people go for this kind of way.
Oh, wow.
Attend and join with me. They are like, yeah, because this is something it's easy to maintain.
Right, 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 right. And like, what is your message to anybody who is watching right now us and
Okay. So for me, like, as being a very layman, or I'm not very pro in the way how the digital business head is working right now. जब मैं खुद एक एज ए लेमन जाके इस चीज में इतना अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर सकती हूँ, विद इन अ मंथ आई एम सीइंग द ट्रेंड गोइंग अप फॉर मी, आई विल रियली आस्क अदर्स ऑल्सो। आंख बंद करके आप भरोसा कीजिए, दे दिस टीम लाइक the mentor who is seated in front of me right now, he is also great, as well as his team is doing a great job. Go ahead and book your sessions. I will suggest go ahead and take the autopilot booster further. And I would love to see like the community getting more and more people for this.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Amita ma'am. Thanks a lot for your valuable words.